So welcome back, guys. We got a Porsche Cayenne, however you pronounce that. This would be I don't see a sticker on there. Where the hell is their damn stickers? Oh, there's that damn sticker. 2008. And it won't start. So of course I had fun. I looked up on YouTube, god damn it. But we're gonna see if this works. Hopefully it's the same issue. But it won't start. It says faulty ignition lock. So, and brake lock. So we're gonna see if we can fix this little issue. I forgot what I was looking for. Oh, now I remember. Question is now, well, I found it. Alright, so we're going to start by taking these little hex bolts out of there. Yes, I did not know what I was, well, I normally used to cars that you just kind of, oh god, the nuts are going to kill me already. We just kind of pull them up, so I pulled that through. Luckily it just bent, so the screw is actually under there now. I'm going to take this one out the right way. Of course, the video I watched did not say or show me how to get this off, so just for the hell of it, let you know, this piece sits over top of there, like so. Of course, that one you just take and pry up. That's the simple one. Oh, there's a fly over there in their drink. Yeah. How did I manage to do that? One too big, one too small. It's because I'm holding the camera. I don't normally do this. So now I got the proper screw out, which I really didn't need to take it, but I needed it out just so I could get to this one so I could put it back the right way.
It's in the car. It's hot in the car, Ryden. Oh my. Look at it. It's warm in the car.
Isn't that just as bad?
Daddy, isn't it hot in the car? Isn't it more hotter in the car, Daddy?
Yeah, it's hotter in the car than it is outside.
I'd rather stay on the ground than sit in the car.
Man, my day has just got started and I'm already being greeted by the nets. I so hate seat buttons. I'm always leaning on them. So somebody got a lot of extra wires running through here. So that wire should be over here somewhere. Huh, so I guess we gotta go inside of there, huh? I'll get back to you. I need 2 hands. But I did find this. Okay, hold on. Let me get a little bit more on it. But this is my temporary repair right now. But this brown, it's a brown little wire with a red line in it, and it's somewhere. I mean, all this is covered in black stuff when you first get under here. If you've never been under here, it's all covered up kind of like the way that looks, so you have to cut it open. And then you'll find this wire without the butt connector on it, kind of like just looped up right here. You have to come a little further down and you'll find something that looks like this. Basically inside there, from the water sitting down on the floor, the floorboard and all that, is basically corroded and they're not even touching anymore. So you basically just take this apart, which I'll probably just take this one apart because whatever this goes to, I'm pretty sure that's probably corroded as well. Or anything in here that's covered in this crap. So basically I just took that, cut both ends of the corrosion off, put them together like this, and I'll go ahead and get that in there a little better. But as soon as I did that, of course I should have got the whole thing it said about the faulty ignition, but where's that key? So yeah, now I put the key in it, and it was saying faulty ignition as soon as I did that. Now I'm not even getting that one anymore, so that's good. Hit the brake, and we got a starting vehicle off of one wire. It's amazing. Porsche. How much this truck cost? Bad design, or just poor quality control. I mean, who basically tapes up a wire? Probably was twisted together. Who tapes up a wire in a who knows how much car? I'm pretty sure the resale value is low as hell, but I'm pretty sure from factory this wasn't on the cheap side of it, to say the least. I mean, I never really buy expensive cars. Tahoe, that's my work vehicle and my personal vehicle, so yeah. It's not a great design, pretty much. So this was I guess after YouTube, it was a fairly easy job. So that'll be the end of that. Got to put all that crap back on and put it all back together, and then guess I can call her and tell her she ain't got to worry about her car anymore. It starts. Peace. And these are mosquitoes. No wonder my arm's itching. Damn it. Alright, so I just decided I'll go ahead and record this wire just to see if it ends up the same way as that one. See if we have the same nasty little result. Oh, well, it's not broke. It's corroded though. But it's not as bad off as that one was. But it's almost there. We got one, maybe two copper pieces holding on to the other side of that. Yeah, you kind of say it. It's two little pieces holding on there. The rest of it's gone. So I'll go ahead and repair that while I'm here too. Just wanted to see if I could show you an example. So, after tires, this is how our day starts out. Playground. Slow mover. Elijah's already over there somewhere. I'm not going to record a bunch of kids, so I'll just record mine. And they'll be on that playground right there. Okay, well, there's one of mine right there. Other than that, we'll just go ahead and let them enjoy their day until my customer finally hits me up and I can get to work and make some money to offset putting these tires on. Yeah. All right. Hey, bro. Hey, where you going? She got something in her eye. Well, we were trying to teach him how to use the monkey bars. He failed. But he'll get it. Believe in him. He'll get it. What?
Never mind.
Never mind. Alright, well, I'm headed to this job. It's a real easy one. Just replacing a purge valve on a 97 Cavalier.
Hi, Mama.
I didn't even barely blow it, but whatever. That's how I get the stuff out of her eye.